Bluey and Bingo were sneaking through the dark hallway, paws tiptoeing, ears twitching. Suddenly, bang, a closet door rattled, glowing green light pouring out. Bingo gasped, "What was that?" Then whoosh, the door swung open and a giant blue furry monster with purple spots stepped out. Could terror look this fuzzy? Bluey yelped, "It's Sully." Bingo squeaked, and look, Mike Wazowski. The round green monster rolled into the room, wobbling like a bouncing ball. Coco screamed, "He's got one giant eye." Everyone froze, but then Mike grinned, "Hey kids, we're not here to scare, we're here to play. Could monsters flip this friendly?" Sully roared, not scary but silly, making Muffin tumble backward giggling. Mike pulled out a stack of monster joke cards, blurting, "Why did the monster eat the light bulb?" "Because he wanted a light snack." The kids howled with laughter. Could comedy crash this hard? But then, the floor shook. A red alarm flashed. Randall slithered out, his purple scales shimmering. "No fun. No laughter. Only fear," he hissed. Bluey barked, "We won't let you ruin this." Bingo grabbed a pillow, Coco grabbed a bucket, Muffin armed herself with bubble soap. Could courage feel this crazy? The chase exploded, Randall sliding under chairs, kids splashing bubbles, Mike zooming like a ball, Sully stomping like thunder. Bluey shouted, "Quick, make him laugh." Bingo danced, Muffin sprayed bubbles, Coco juggled toys. Randall slipped, tripped, and landed face first in a pie. Everyone roared with unstoppable laughter. Could joy beat fear this fast? The alarm silenced. The green door glowed again. Sully patted Bluey's head, "You kids saved the day with laughter." Mike winked, "Best comedy team I've ever seen." The monsters waved goodbye, stepping back into their world. The door clicked shut, silent, mysterious. Bluey and Bingo stood tall, tails wagging. "We just outsmarted real monsters." Bingo cheered. Bluey turned, eyes shining, and if you want to see more adventures crazier than Monster Inc., stick with us, hit that like, subscribe, and laugh with us again soon.